Optical activity without asymmetric carbon means chiral carbon. There is no any chiral carbon with four different group attached, but they are optically active. There are some different types of compounds which are optically active without having asymmetric carbon, without having chiral carbon. I will show one by one. First case of alene, alene with even pi bonds. There is two different cases of alene. First one with even pi bonds. A second case is with odd pi bonds. There is two cases with even pi bonds and with odd pi bonds. First we will discuss about even pi bonds with the compounds having even pi bonds. Even pi bonds means 1 pi bond, 2 pi bonds. This is called even pi bonds. And odd pi bonds means odd. This compound has odd pi bonds means 1, 2, 3. 3 means odd pi bonds. So first of all we will discuss about even pi bonds. In even pi bonds the compounds is optically active. How they are optically active? We can see the structures, the orbital diagram of this even pi bonds. The orbital diagram of these compounds. Now this orbital diagram of this even pi bonds, this even pi bonds AB structures. These orbital diagrams and this AB will be like this. Whereas this orbital diagram and this pi bonds will form from this YY lobes. This pi bonds will form ZZ lobes. We have to think like that. First will be Y, then will be Z. If two pi bonds is then first Y, then Z. Then again if there will be again pi bonds, suppose this type of pi bonds, this will be Y, this will be Z, this will be Y, this will be Z. In this way we have to proceed, because in examinations there is no such type of orbital diagram is given. We have to think and assume that which type of lobes are forming a bonds Y, Z, X, Y. We have to think. So if any compounds 2 pi bonds are given, then first will be Y, then second will be Z. But I am here for making understand you. I am showing the orbital diagrams. This type of overlapping will there, and the YY bonds will form. Here ZZ lobes will be formed. In the lower side also YY, here also lower side ZZ. This is not properly shown, but this will be like this. ZZ overlapping is there. So it is the Y, this is in the Z. So this side will be in the which plane? This is in the Y plane. Then this will be Y is engaged, means left is X and Z. So it is a ZX plane. This AB will in the ZX plane, because Y is involved in this formation of bond. So the left orbital, left axis is Z and Y. Now this is available in which plane? Here Z is involved. First Y, then Z, then Z is involved, then left plane is X and Y. So this is in the XY plane. So I have shown here XY plane. This AB is available in the XY plane. Now two side is, this side is ZX plane, this is in a XY plane. So for optical activity the compound should have dissymmetry. Dissymmetry means it doesn't have plane of symmetry or center of symmetry. If left side and right side both will be in the same plane, then there is a possibility of plane of symmetry. By plane of symmetry they will cut and they can divide into two planes. But due to dissymmetry, due to difference plane in other end, it is a plane of XZ, this is in a plane of XY, both in different planes. So the plane of symmetry is not possible, and center of symmetry is also not possible, because if we put this is a center of symmetry, but this side A group encounter, but this side B group is encounter. So this center of symmetry is also not come into picture. That's why there is no any possibility of plane of symmetry and center of symmetry. The main important thing we have to notice that the both the ends, if both the ends in different plane, then there is no any possibility of plane of symmetry. If both the ends will be in the same plane, then there will be plane of symmetry, so optical activity is not possible. But in this case plane of symmetry is not available, so and center of symmetry is not available, so it is satisfying the condition of dissymmetry. So it is a optically active. Now we proceed to the next case with this is optically active. So if you put a plane mirror, then mirror image we are getting which are enantiomer with each other. If you are not getting enantiomer, what is Then I'll also make clear, if you've seen my topics, I've already explained the enantiomer. Enantiomer is one of topic I have already discussed, so you have to see the topic. But here I can say only that two compounds are a mirror image to each other and they are enantiomer. They are both optically active, and in this way we have to proceed to the odd alene with odd pi bonds. This is a odd pi bonds. 1 2 3 3 pi bonds are there. The first will be in the y plane, second will be in the z plane, third will be in the y planes. I've said y z y z y z. In this way we have to proceed. If 1 2 3 4 5 6 will be level 6 pi bonds will be there, means even pi bonds. This is a even number of pi bonds. 6 means even pi bonds, means they are optically active. Now this is a odd pi bonds, y z y, means this is a y are involved, y plane is involved in the formation of bonding. Then the left plane is x and z. Left side will be in the x z planes, right side in the y is involved, means right side in x and z planes. Y are involved, then this group will be in the x z plane, this group will be x z plane. Both the ends are in the same plane, x z planes. So there is a possibility of plane of symmetry. So plane of symmetry is available, means molecule is not satisfying the dissymmetry condition for being a optically active. So that's why this compounds is not showing optically activity. Now I am showing the orbital structures. This is a y lobes formation of bond, this is a z lobes formation of bond, this is a y lobes formation of bond. This is available in the zx plane. You can say xz plane, zx planes, but good to write zx plane, because this is y x y z. We have to write in this format. This is a y is involved in the formation of bond, so available z and x plane. If x y z, this z is involved in the formation bond, then after z x will become x and y plane. But we can write y z planes, anything, but the good format and standard format is zx plane. We can say x z planes, but it is right to saying x z planes, but more standard format is zx plane. We have to say in the proper way. So it is available in the zx plane because y plane is involved. So it is available in the xz planes, zx plane. It is also available if this y are involved, so it is available in the zx plane. So in this way there has a possibility of both the ends are zx plane and zx plane. Plane are same, so there is a possibility of plane of symmetry, means there must be available a plane of symmetry. We can put a plane of symmetry so it can be cut in two parts which are mirror image to each other. That's why it is not satisfying the condition of dissymmetry, which say that the center of symmetry and plane of symmetry must be absent. But here the plane of symmetry is present, means it is not satisfying the condition of dissymmetry, and dissymmetry is the condition of optically activity. So this compound is not showing optical activity. So my point to remember that if the odd pi bonds are available, or in examination, if you are in hurry to answer, if you want to answer fast, and remember that if 4 odd pi bonds are available, I already explained y z y, means left and right are in the same plane, so the plane of symmetry is available, optically inactive. So but for examination purpose we have to remember that if odd pi bonds are available, if molecule is complicated to analyze, if odd number of pi bonds are available, then that will be optically inactive, so it can show geometrically isomer. So it is a, if you mirror image, if you put a mirror image, then these compounds and these compounds are not mirror image. This compound and this compound are geometrical diastereomer. This is a, this is a B, here is a B, here is a B A. So the one thing I want to make clear that how to remember, if even pi bonds are available, then that will be optically active. If odd pi bonds are available, then they are geometrical isomer. If even, then optical isomer, odd are geometrical isomer. These 2 points not to be remember, I have already written in the notes. Now the next case is alene. Now the case of aspirin. Aspirin means ring. If it is also two case, even ring and odd ring. Here is also odd ring case and even ring case. This is a even ring case and this is a odd ring case. So first of all I will discuss event ring case. If event ring case available, then this is in a y plane, this is in a z plane. In this way, y z y z y z, this format need to be remembered. This is a y, this is a z plane, this is a y z, means this will be available in the xz plane and this will be available in the xy plane, because z is involved, then xy is left. If y is there, then x and z are available. In this way, this is an xz plane, this is an xy plane. So both are in different planes. So plane of symmetry is absent. That's why it is showing optically activity, because plane of symmetry is absent, center of symmetry is absent. So it is satisfying the condition of dissymmetry, and dissymmetry is the essential condition and criteria for showing optical activity. Now similarly in the spiral with the odd ring, this is in a y plane, this is a z plane, this is a y plane, this is in available now in the xz plane, and this is available in the xz plane. Yeah, you can say zx plane, yeah, zx plane. Now I have written this is available, this AB group is available in the zx plane, this AB group is available in the zx plane. There is a, so both end are in the same plane, so there is a plane of symmetry is possible. So this is not showing optical isomer, so they are showing geometrical isomer. So I have already written that even ring showing optical isomer, odd ring showing geometrical isomer. Now the next case is case of cycloalkadiene, means this is in a y plane, this is a available in the z plane, this is a y plane, this is in a z plane. Now this is available in the xz plane, means zx plane, anything. This is a z plane, then this is available in the xy plane. Both the ends are different planes. So plane of symmetry is available, is not available. Plane of symmetry is not possible, so it is satisfying the condition of dissymmetry. Dissymmetry condition saying that plane of symmetry or center of symmetry must be absent. Maybe axisymmetry is possible. So here in this way we can see that plane of symmetry is absent, so it is showing the condition of optically activity, and dissymmetry is showing, so they are optically active. If you put a mirror plane, the mirror image we are getting, which are getting mirror image which are in isomeric pair. Now this thing need to be remembered. Now the ortho theta substituted biphenyl, this is ortho substituted, this is ortho to both the ortho positions. This is our main point, this is ortho meta para positions. Now ortho positions, AB groups are present, which are they are the big groups are present, If this group will be present, then we think that it must have plane of symmetry. We think if we are thinking that it must have plane of symmetry, by looking first sight anyone can say that it has to be a plane of symmetry, but it is a special case which is not having a plane of symmetry, because they are in the ortho positions. This is a bulky group, this is a bulky group. So due to steric hindrance, they doesn't remain in the same position. So there is a rotation is possible about this, maybe this rotation, maybe this rotation. Any rotation is possible about this sigma bond. So after the rotation, they will not remain in the same plane. These two group will not remain in the same plane, because of there is a steric repulsion, steric hindrance is there, there is a repulsion is there. So there is a possibility of rotation about this sigma bond. So now this is a structures, this structure is there, and now we have clear that this compounds is optically active, because there is absence of plane of symmetry. So these two compounds are mirror image to each other, so they are showing in enantiomer. These compounds cannot be converted to these compounds. By this sign we are showing that these compounds cannot be converted to these compounds cannot be converted to this compound, these compounds can be converted to this compound. They are both different compounds, and they are enantiomer to each other, they are mirror image to each other. And I have already explained, this is the group which are have a greater steric hindrance, that's why they rotate to minimize the repulsion, to stabilize the compound. So that this about these bonds, they are showing optically activity. So you have to remember this type of such compounds. If any exam is given, then in first step they look like that they will be optically inactive, but you have to think that plane of symmetry is not possible, because there is a large group, steric hindrance is there, stability to stabilize the compounds, they will not remain like this. Their will try to minimize the repulsion, so they will rotate about this bond to make a distance. That's why they can stabilize this steric hindrance group to each other. In this way, this is in a outward side, this is in a plane, this is in a plane, this is in a downward direction. In this way, they are trying to minimize the repulsion by increasing the distance between the group, so they are optically active. Now we will learn about the compounds having chiral center other than carbon atoms.